If you're trying to choose between Manus AI and Claude, here's the real truth. One is built to do the work for you, the other is built to help you do it right. Manus AI is what people now call an autonomous agent. You don't just ask it questions, you give it a goal. And it goes off, plans the steps, researches, builds, and delivers a finished result. In real workflows, it can create websites, run research, build reports, even automate tasks on a schedule without you touching it. Pricing is usually credit-based, starting around $20 a month, scaling up to $40 or even $200 a month depending on usage and credits. That means you can technically start getting real outputs fast and even monetize quickly by delivering services or projects, but it does have a downside. Costs can become unpredictable because every task consumes credits, and complex jobs can burn through them fast. Claude, on the other hand, is a conversational AI assistant. It's designed to help you think, write code, and analyze deeply, but you are still the one executing the work. In real workflows, people use it for writing content, debugging code, planning ideas, and refining outputs step by step. It has a free plan with limits, and paid plans like Claude Pro are around $20 a month with higher tiers for heavier usage. That makes it more predictable in cost and very strong for learning, freelancing, and improving quality before delivering work. But I found some downside. It doesn't execute tasks for you, so you still need time and effort to turn its answers into real results. So in practice, Manus is best if you want speed and automation. You give a goal and it delivers something finished. Claude is best if you care about accuracy, reasoning, and control. You guide the process and get higher quality outputs. They do compete, but here's the real difference. Manus says, "I did it for you," while Claude says, "I helped you do it right." And that's exactly why many people use both. One for execution, one for thinking. If this helped you understand it clearly, make sure to like, subscribe for more real comparisons, and tell me, do you want results fast or results done right?